Hi there, this is Shruti. In today's video, I want to talk to you all about how you can make money with Pinterest using 4 specific methods. Now, the first method, which I believe a lot of you are familiar with, is called affiliate marketing or making money with affiliate links. Now, what happens here is that you basically become an affiliate for a product or a service that you like, which means that each time you sell a product or service for this particular brand, you are going to get a small commission out of it. So let's say that you are a huge fan of Sephora Cosmetics and you go and sign up for the affiliate program, and each time you sell any beauty product that is listed at Sephora using their affiliate link, you make a small commission from it. Now, there are 2 things that you need to keep in mind when you are using this method. Number 1, which affiliate program are you using? Now, not all affiliate programs are allowed to be promoted on Pinterest, which is also a social media platform. So you have to check with the specific affiliate program whether or not they allow promotion through social media links. Number 2, you have to check whether or not you are eligible for that affiliate program, because depending on where you are based, you may or may not be eligible for that affiliate program. Now, there are 2 ways in which you can monetize affiliate links on Pinterest. Number 1 is the direct affiliate link method. Now, here is where you create a pin on a Canva or any other free design tool, and then you upload that to Pinterest, you add your destination link, and then each time someone clicks on that pin, they end up going to the affiliate partner's website, and when they actually check out and make a sale, you get a small commission in your affiliate dashboard. And the second way that you can do it is by the indirect affiliate link method, where you first take your audience to your own website or to your own store, and then you promote the affiliate brand by indirectly sending them over. Now, both of these methods can work on Pinterest. However, I have to say that the second method is a lot easier than the first method, because what happens with the first method is that it's hard for people to figure out the credibility of the person promoting that link. So everyone who buys a product on the internet wants to, maybe look at reviews, wants to check out how the product is all about, and wants to have a little bit of trust when they are actually purchasing a product, which is why bloggers who actually have websites or even magazines who have lots of content around products tend to make the highest affiliate sales. Not to mention, if you have your own audience, which is already on your blog or on your website checking out your content, they are much more likely to convert into sales from your affiliate links than if you have no sort of trust or credibility and you're just simply promoting links on the internet. Now, I have to say, even though both of these methods work, if you want to be playing in the long run and you actually want to make a sustainable income from your affiliate links, I would highly recommend buying a domain which starts at as low as $3 a month, and you can find a discounted link in my description box below, and using that domain to create posts or landing pages that you can send your Pinterest audience to develop that know, like, and trust factor, and then convert them into affiliate sales. Alright, the second way that you can also make money from Pinterest is by selling your products. Now, Pinterest is a gold mine for any kind of e-commerce entrepreneur who is selling any kind of product, whether it is a physical product like t-shirts, merchandise, candles, etc., or that is a digital product like ebooks, templates, stickers, etc. Now, why Pinterest really works is because if your target audience is on Pinterest, and you will have to do a little bit of research to understand whether or not your audience is on Pinterest, simply Google the top 10 countries that are, by market share on Pinterest, and you can find out if your audience is in those countries or not. Now, another thing to keep in mind here is what demographics are you selling your products to? So if, for example, you are selling your products to women, specifically in the millennial and the Gen Z age group, then you are going to benefit from using Pinterest as a marketing tool for selling your products. Now, even if you don't have your own website, you can actually just create your products, for example, in Canva, specifically digital products, and then you could just promote them using Pinterest and list them over at your Etsy store or anywhere else where you're allowed to create and sell those products. You don't even need to have your specific website for this method to work. The easiest and most cost-effective method for you would be to use a free Canva tool to create your particular digital product, so you don't have any inventory or shipping costs, and then use a platform like Etsy, which connects really well with Pinterest, to sell those products, specifically digital products, and every time that you make a sale, you get a percentage of that sale. Etsy charges a small fees, but then you can use Pinterest to basically drive you free traffic and make sales without having to spend any money on ads. Now, if you have, for example, your own Shopify store or you're selling your own products on your own website, then Pinterest can also be a great way for you to kind of boost those sales, because if your audience is already on Pinterest, you can tap into the 400 million plus monthly users that are actually looking for inspiring and interesting products products on Pinterest and send them over to your site so that they can shop at your site. Method number 3 is to monetize with ads or advertising space. Now, you'll need two things for this method to work. Number one, you're going to need your own site, so some kind of a publishing website, aka your domain or your website where you are creating content. Also, the second thing that you're going to need is a partnership with an ad platform. So this could be Google AdSense, this could be MediaWine, this could be AdThrive, this could be Ezoic, and really there are so many different ad platforms that you can use depending on how many page views you get and which niche you're in. So let's take an example of my lifestyle blog, which I also monetize with ads using MediaWine, and in the best month, those ads can make up to $2,000 a month on free Pinterest traffic that I use Pinterest to generate. Now, this is something again that is mind-blowing because all you really need to do is to get the eyeballs over to your website and use a particular way for you to monetize those eyeballs. So one of the most passive ways to do it is absolutely by leveraging advertising on your particular website, and you can get started today with just $3 a month, like I said, on a domain, start creating content and start sending over traffic from Pinterest to start making money from ads. The reason why ads can work really well with Pinterest is because Pinterest traffic is generally a lot quicker to get compared to, for example, Google traffic. Now, Google takes new websites a lot longer to rank, and I would say 2 or 3 times longer to rank than, for example, Pinterest. So whereas with Pinterest, you can start seeing traffic results within 3 to 6 months, with Google, it often can take up to 2 years for you to actually start generating sustainable traffic. Method number 4 for making money with Pinterest is by selling your services. So if you're a freelancer, a marketer, a coach, consultant, or agency owner, and you're providing any kind of services, Pinterest can be a great lead generation tool for you. This means that instead of spending time on Instagram, where your posts are probably going to die in, a couple of hours, you can actually use that time to create pins over on Pinterest, which are then attached to content on your website or even on your social media platforms, and use that content to create a relationship with your audience and then further bring them in by offering them a freebie or a lead magnet. Now, when it comes to generating leads in your business, the reason again why Pinterest can be a great tool is because if your target audience is on Pinterest and you are in a niche which Pinterest audience is actually searching for, then all you really need to do is show up. Once you show up with the right content strategies or even with the right pins which are leading to your lead magnets or to your freebies, you'll start to generate free leads from Pinterest pretty much every single day. And again, this method is completely free for you to generate leads. You don't have to spend money on ads unless you want to, and you can use Pinterest as a free lead generation tool, which then in future would then convert into your clients and customers. Another way that Pinterest can work really well is if you're a freelancer or some kind of designer or someone who needs to have a portfolio up on the web. You don't even need to have your own website. You can actually even just use Pinterest to create your portfolio and then direct them over to your services page or even to your social media pages where they can then further chat with you as well as book your services. So that's the top 4 ways that I wanted to share with you today about how you can make money with Pinterest. If you want to learn more about exactly how Pinterest works when it comes to generating free traffic and what's working right now on Pinterest, make sure to sign up for my free masterclass, which is again going to be linked in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.